In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AdsPower account. So first, head over to your browser and then search for AdsPower. So search for AdsPower download and then click this AdsPower download. So make sure it's official AdsPower website. So as you can see, we have a sign up form in here and a download button. So in order to create an account in here, so you'll need to download a AdsPower account. So we have a different operating system in here that you can choose. It can be Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. So yeah, you need to download it to your designated operating system. So as you can see, it start downloading. So wait for the downloading complete. And as you can see, once the downloading is complete, you will see a license agreement. So you need to agree it and then set it up onto your computer or laptop or whatever operating system you are using. It can be Linux or Mac OS. So wait for it to finish. So once the installation is done, you can click the next and it will start showing. So wait for it to load up. And then after that, this will show you up. Just allow it, and then you will see a login form in here. So if you already have an account, you can log in, but if you don't have yet, you can click the sign up button. And that's it. That's how you create an account here in AdsPower. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.